Gusto mo bang mag-diet pero di mo talaga mapigilan ang mag-crave? Ito na ang Hickory Mocha Coffee Collagen Glutathione Drink with chia seeds, moringa, and quinoa. Non-acidic pa siya and no palpitation. Low-calorie pa siya, keto-friendly, and sugar-free made with stevia. Hickory coffee is a delicious, beautifying instant coffee made with premium Arabica coffee and all natural and organic ingredients, proven effective to control hunger while promoting brighter and healthier skin. Help achieve brighter, healthier, and more even skin tone, help in increase energy levels, focus, and clarity. Night shift yung work ko and usually napapa-crave talaga ako in the middle of the night. Lagi kaming napapabili sa 7-Eleven. And simula nung ininom ko to, nasusuppress na yung mga cravings ko and feeling ko lagi akong busog. Very healthy